Confused about uploading a video on YouTube and not familiar with the video upload settings? Don't worry. I'll explain all the key points and settings in easy and simple steps, which will really promote your video on YouTube. So stay tuned as I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can do that. Hi, welcome to my channel Sihara Tech. If you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button at the end. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. Once your video is ready and you want to upload it on YouTube, you can do it from the YouTube Studio section. But before that, you have to log into YouTube and ensure your channel is selected already. If you see the sign in button, then you are not logged in. Just click on this button and you'll be asked to provide your Gmail account credentials. If you have not created any account or channel yet, then do check out my video in which I have explained the complete process. Link is in the description. Okay, let me provide my account credentials. As you can see from the top right corner, your profile picture is shown. If you have multiple channels already, then select the appropriate channel for your video. Please click on Switch Account and select the channel you want to upload your video in. But if you only have a single channel, then it is already selected by default. Now in the next step, you have to go to YouTube Studio. Again, click on Profile Picture and click on YouTube Studio. From this page, click on Create button from the top right corner. There are two options in this menu. We'll use the first one to upload a video. But if you want to go live with the audience, then you can select the second option as well. Now you'll be presented with a screen from where you can upload your video. Either you can drag and drop the video, or you can click on Select File option. Let me select my video from my laptop. As you can see, video is being uploaded. Upload time will depend on the file size and your internet connection speed. Let it complete first so I can show you all the options, as few options while your video is being uploaded will be disabled. So let's complete the upload process first. But if you want, you can do most of the settings while this uploading process as well. Okay, my video is uploaded now. Let's complete the settings before we make it available for our viewers. By default, your title will be your video file name. Let me change it to a proper one. Description is also really important, which YouTube will use for a search reference as well, along with other parameters. So I insist to make it relevant and do mention your channel name as well. Secondly, if you want to share your other video links which you want your viewers to watch, you can write those here as well. Let me paste my description here, as I've already written it before. Next one is custom thumbnail. Once your video is uploaded, YouTube will propose various thumbnails from your video. But my recommendation is make a custom thumbnail for your video. You can set it by clicking on Upload Thumbnail. Let me select mine for now. You can also add your video to one of your playlists. Click on Playlist and select the playlist you already have created. Or you can create a new playlist from here as well. If you don't want this video to be in any playlist, then skip these settings. You have to select your audience for your video as well, like whether it is suitable for kids or not, so it can be indexed and shown accordingly. In my case, I am going to select the second option. Also, you have to set the age restriction for your audience. In my case, I don't intend to apply the restriction, as it can be useful for the people under 18 years of age. But you should select accordingly as per the content you prepared for your audience. Most importantly, do click on more options for setting the tags and category for your video, which will really help YouTube in promoting your video properly. So do set these, otherwise default values will be considered. The first option is, if your video contains some paid promotions, then you need to enable this checkbox, otherwise leave it as it is. Tags are really important, which will be used if any person is trying to search for a content with a phrase which does not exactly or partially match with your video title and you have mentioned here will get your video to be displayed in the search results. I always write my tags before I upload a video after a proper research, so let me paste those here. Next is language you need to set for your video, so it can be categorized by YouTube properly. If you want to set your recording date and location as well, then you can do that, but I'm going to skip those. For license and distribution, I'm going to select standard YouTube license, which will give me option to claim for copyright if someone else is using my content. But if you want people to edit or use your content anywhere, then you can select the Creative Commons Attribution option. If your videos are embedded anywhere, then you will get the traffic automatically, and your subscribers will be notified after every publish as well. YouTube does offer various categories which you can select one for your video. So select an appropriate one as per the content you prepared. I'm going to select How to and Style, which is more relevant with my content. You can also enable and disable like and dislike option for your video as well. The second tab is Video Element. Over here you can promote related content at the end of your video or during the video as well. Let me show you how you can do that. Click on Add. Select the design which you think is more suitable. And once you select it, then you can set the most recent video for promotion. You can select your video yourself, or you can allow YouTube to select the video as well. Once you are done, you can set the duration as well, like when the promotion for other videos should be shown. As by default, you have maximum 20 seconds for this promotion before your video ends. But you can adjust it if you want to set it suppose for 10 seconds by dragging these two sections. Once you are all done with the settings, then click Save. Second option is Add Card. Click on Add. In this section, first, set the cursor where you want this card to be shown to your viewer. Then you can select the type of card you want. In my case, let me set the duration first. I want this card to be shown for my other video. Let me click on plus icon against video type. Over here, I have to select a video and that's it. Now if I move my cursor, you will see here that the card is shown with the video name. Once you are done, click Save. The third section is Visibility. From here you can publish your video instantly by selecting Public option, and your video will be available for the viewers to watch, and your subscribers will be notified as well. If you want, you can set it to private or unlisted as well, where video shared with the people or who has the link can see the video. Also, you have the option to schedule your video for a specific date and time along with different time zones as well, which is really good if you want to cater an audience on a specific date and time. Now once you set everything, click Save and you're all done. I hope you like my video. Please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon so you can get notified for every video I'll be sharing in future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.